Alright, here's the third part of this series. You can see the old floorboard in the middle, the new planks cut out on the left there with the cleats ready to go, and the new floorboard that we cut out a few years ago up on the standing up on edge there. What we're going to do is use that new floorboard. We're going to lay it down. That's the port side. So it'll be the mirror image of this. We're going to lay it down with the cleats on the bottom. So it's going to go down like that. And then we'll be able to lay port starboard, right side down, right side up. This plate will lay just on top of it there. I'd already be done if I wasn't filming and making pictures. Second board's gonna go there. And the middle cleat, or middle plank, the short one. And you see how we'll use the port side because we know it fits. You get the spacing for the starboard side. Now this is starboard, but it's upside down right now. In the back here, this is the stern, and towards the stern, we'll lay this cleat or batten down, and we'll peek down underneath there, get it lined up, and we'll just keep going. Getting them lined up. Remember, these two on the stern and the two up front poke out just a little bit, so these little cleats will touch in the bottom, keep some spacing. Get up here, put this. Lay that out, and the next step's going to be to get some number 10 screws. I think they're about 1 1/4. You could go 1 1/2, but you got to be real careful not to, the screw tip's not going to go through to the top side of the plank. And we'll start using a countersink. Walk in here. Have one drill set up. Drill pilot hole, countersink. Fuller sells a combination bit. You can do it with a countersink and a separate bit. We'll use this one. It's about here. We'll set it. That drills the pilot hole, and the countersink for the head. And the other drill we'll set up to put in these number 10, 1 1/4. Got a Frierson head on it, which is similar to a Phillips, a little bit sharper angle. So we'll pull those out. Get those ready. You can order those from Jamestown Distributors. This is for the 1980 Drascombe Lugger ONKAHYE. And when they're all said and done, they'll look like these boards here that we've got set up for our dabber.